Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a nice simple recipe using only 5 ingredients. It takes about 30 minutes to make. It's super delicious and in nice small portions. It's BBQ Mini Meatloafs. And I know it doesn't sound fantastic, but you gotta try it. Let's go. Alright, first we're going to start this off. We got some stuffing mix. I'm using some stuffing mix with sage. You can use whatever stuffing makes you feel comfortable. Go ahead and add about a cup of water into it. And just a couple tablespoons of some hickory smoked barbecue sauce, or barbecue sauce you feel like it. You can add more or less, depends on what you're gonna do. I'll probably add more here in a second. But mix it all up. Make sure it's all spread. I'm gonna add more barbecue sauce because why not? Go ahead and mix all that up. Make sure that stuffing mix starts getting all nice and saturated here. Then you're going to go ahead and get about a pound of beef, or if you want to make turkey for turkey loaf instead, you can. I got a couple pounds here. I'm going to just add some of it in. Go ahead and mix that up in there. I'll use my hands here in a second. Sometimes you just got to get in there with your hands and mix it up, you know. Mix it all up. Yeah. Feel that barbecue sauce between your fingers. If you don't want to do that, just go ahead and use a spoon or a spatula or something, or whatever you feel will help you mix it up the best. And then go ahead and get yourself a muffin tin here. Make little balls, squish them into the muffin tin. Some of mine might be bigger than other ones, but that's okay. I have a lot of people who are going to be eating these anyway. And try to squeeze them in. You can make them a little bit smaller if you want, or a little bit bigger if you want. Squish them into all little spots. You're going to keep doing that until you fill the whole thing up. And then you can go ahead and put it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. For 18 to 20-ish minutes. Make sure you check on it, make sure it's cooked all the way through. You will be putting it in the oven a little bit longer after you do one more step after the first batch of cooking in the oven. But try to make sure it's cooked as much as possible the first time. I'll come back to you when mine is done in the oven. Alright, I put mine in for the full 20 minutes. You see they're nice and cooked through. You can cut them open and make sure that the meat's all cooked up. But I know it's going to be good. Then you're going to take your ever wonderful cheese and sprinkle it on top of each one. You can put as little or as much cheese as you want, as long as you obviously don't want to overflow it everywhere, else you're going to kind of ruin everything else and get cheese everywhere and then burn the house down, you know, the usual. Go ahead and sprinkle it on all these little cups. See, I made some bigger than other ones, so you can see the different ways how they turn out for smaller and bigger ones. And then go ahead and put these back in the oven for another 2 to 5 minutes. And then after that, they'll be ready to eat. I'll come back when mine are all completely done. Alright, and mine are all done out of the oven. You see I got some nice yummy cheese melted on there. I'm going to go ahead and try to put this down without making a mess. I'm going to zoom in here so you guys can see the plating of this yummy goodness. I'm going to pick this big one. Actually, I'll get this one because it's covered in cheese. I'm trying to make sure I get it in the camera. And there you go, look at that. That yummy goodness. Nice little yummy, it's crumbling apart, just like it should. Look at that. And then I'm going to go ahead and get some more barbecue sauce, because why not? Or should I keep it in the camera here? So we can do those fancy things they do on commercials. Look at that barbecue sauce. Yum. And there you go. Nice, yummy mini meatloafs. And there you have it. Told you, nice, simple recipe. Takes about 30 minutes, 5 ingredients. Tastes fantastic. You'll absolutely love it, especially if you add a little extra barbecue sauce on top when you're done. If you like this video, please put a comment down below to let me know. If you've tried something like this before, please let me know what you did that was different, or if there's something that I should try next time I do this. Any kind of ideas like that. If you didn't like it, tell me what you didn't like about it, and I'll try to see what I can do to make my videos even better. While you're down there, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, the subscribe button, and the little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. I try to post every week. I'm doing mostly recipes, but I'm going to try to mix in other food-related videos as well as I go. I guess I'll see you guys around.